started thinking this way, I realized it doesn't matter if my friends or family members are interested. I still want them to take a look at the information, if for no other reason, so that they can refer people to me. And when I did that, I stopped eliminating people from my list. I stopped opting people out of my list and saying they won't be interested, so I'm not going to show it to them. They don't need to be interested for us to show it to them. Guess what? Once they see it, they cannot unsee it. Once they see the mission and see the value of what we offer in the everyday life events that we can help with, they cannot unsee it. Even the most negative person cannot unsee it once they see it, because at some point life is going to bring them back, and life is going to remind them of that video that you showed them. Life is going to remind them of that Zoom that you invited them to. And when that life event comes about, whether it's a personal life event, a coworker, a friend, a church member, someone in their community, don't you want them to remember you and the information that you showed them? So part of prospecting is having an abundance mindset that everybody goes on my list.